Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're doing a slow cooker. So it's going to be beef strips, peas, corn, and that chunky veggies in the slow cooker. So it's so cold and it's because it's winter in New Zealand. So I'll get into it. So see how that goes. So that'll be dinner after we're bowling tonight. I bowl. So let's get into it. So we got beef strips. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in the slow cooker. So it's all poured out, so yeah. So I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm going to cook. Sorry. So I've got the peas. So I just got someone opened up in the wrong way. So. Peas. Green beans. Green beans. Green beans. Yep. Okay, not just green beans, but that's okay. We got corn. Oh, you want to get that? A mix of chunkies. I can actually go in here, so I just put all them in. Here we go. Just Nando peri peri medium sauce in the slow cooker. So I might just down, so the lid. So I'm going to put it on. So I'm putting it on low.